ELM Automotive Compliance helps you to work according to state-of-the-art engineering practices. Compliance means adherence to industry and legal requirements and affects processes, tools, and people. This makes compliance a broad topic, so where to start? As we move towards a data-driven economy, let's start with data. In engineering projects, the key data set consists of requirements, architecture, code and documents, and tests. Also important are links between these artifacts to analyze impact of change. Establishing the required traceability can be challenging, and this is where the application portfolio IBM Engineering Lifecycle Management comes in handy. ELM offers tools to handle all data in one platform. IBM ELM is the basis for ELM Automotive Compliance. Whereas ELM itself is not part of automotive compliance, the base capabilities are used in it. But let's discover what we mean by that step by step. The ground-laying part of IBM ELM Automotive Compliance is a digital thread. A digital thread captures data in the most usable format and appropriate structure. Let's take requirements as an example. In automotive engineering, stakeholder and system requirements need to be differentiated. This requires different types, which may contain different attributes and foresee different values. Defining such data model is no trivial task and requires months of work if done right. AC contains and is based on such data model, also covering tests, architecture, and implementation artifacts. To capture and work according to this data model, automotive compliance contains templates for all of these domains. Now, let's talk about collaboration. The ELM capability where you can manage your activities is called workflow management. Workflow management allows to plan and assign tasks to project members. It is also the place where you would plan and track change requests, risks, problems, and defects. Of course, ELM also allows to establish links from and to collaboration artifacts. AC contains a workflow management template. To understand what that means, let's look at a change request. A change request requires again custom attributes. But more importantly, it follows a state flow. A state flow defines a sequence of steps to reach a desired outcome. The AC workflow management template contains these state flows, not only for change requests, but also for all artifacts needed in support and management processes. And by the way, we didn't talk about state flows before, but other artifacts of design data also rely on them and are included in the respective AC template. So, at that point it becomes obvious that there are a lot of moving parts. How to keep the overview here? That is what processes are for. AC contains an engineering process based on large-scale agile framework structured according to automotive process groups. This process description is tightly integrated with the solution. It even contains a documentation of solution content per process group. And because assessments are hard, it also contains a detailed mapping how every aspect of the solution satisfies automotive specs. Now, it is good to have written down how to capture and manage data compliant. But what you really need is transparency whether you are on track. For this purpose, IBM ELM offers a set of reporting capabilities. Wouldn't it be great to have an overview on project progress and release status? Good news! AC contains over 80 reports provided as an end-to-end dashboard to let you monitor what is going on. And that's it! Based on IBM Engineering Lifecycle Management, IBM ELM Automotive Compliance provides you with an ASPICE compliant data model, templates to work compliant, an agile process portal that is based on SAFe and also documents how the AC solution satisfies ASPICE, and a dashboard to monitor progress and compliance. To learn more, please visit ibm.biz/automotive compliance.